gentle, Sophie.
How do you think that's gonna work out, Helix?
What do you gotta say back?
Sophie.
Go la 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 la.
Tell her. Can you do it, Helix?
Sophie can do it. Go.
Do
Go,
it.
Sophie.
Your turn. Oh my god. Look at her little teeth.
Yeah.
What do you
that's
have
how
to
it
say
works,
back,
right?
Sophie? Go ah. Talk back to him.
Whoa!
You're a good squealer.
Oh, sorry, Papa. Smile. Smile.
Sophie, smile.
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 I am smiling. You got anything to say, Sophie? You're very excited about her today.
Sophie, you say those things all the time. You're just freezing up now?
Wow, Jen has super mega huge ultra phone.
I do. Crazy. Oh, yes.